Shaw, looking for a bit of a change. I joined with very little telecoms experience and I've been fully trained. Everyone's really friendly, everyone's super supportive of each other. If there's any areas that you need extra training in, anything like that, everyone is there to lend an ear, help you along with anything that you need. It's a really good bunch to work with and a really good company to work for.
Certainly not tied to a desk, but you've got a little bit of desk work which you need to do occasionally, but the majority of the time you're out on the road and each day is different. Go for it, just try it. There's opportunities there, and if it's something a little bit more different that you're looking for, the job is varied.
I'd say it's very easy to apply. If you've got an interest in telecoms or you're keen to get involved in the Fibre project, I'd have a look at our website, look at the jobs that we've currently got available. If you're interested in applying, I'd send an email to recruitment@shaw.com and just get in touch.